Didn't realize it was Cuban today, but it makes sense because this is around days before I came here last time. The Cuba days. Hey, I'm gonna put some nuts in my mouth.
Are you gonna put nuts in your mouth?
Yes.
Is that a first?
Nuts, yes. Or I'm gonna say the other part, sausages.
No.
Okay.
Yum, 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 chicken, sausage. As I said in the last video, Cuba Day, Cubano Day. Just typical Latin music and whatnot. Okay. We all seem to come here on the same day. I mean, an hour after, as I saw you earlier. We're like, time to try some Cubano Day. At the El Ranchon Beach Bar restaurant.